Hi friends, welcome to Sheila's Kitchen Tales. My recipe here is the Lasuni Palak Paneer served with the wheat flour kulchas. This is a super delicious, tasty recipe and let us see how it is made. For that here I have taken palak leaves, that is the spinach leaves, washed them well, and on the gas stove I have placed a vessel with water and added 1 spoon of sugar and let it boil. In the boiling water I will add the palak leaves, that is the spinach leaves, and blanch it for about 2 minutes. Here in another vessel I have taken some cold water. Now I will remove the palak leaves after 2 minutes and add it to the chilled water. For about a minute I will let it be in and then I will remove it into other vessel. I will strain it and I will remove it into other vessel. Now in this I will be adding few green chilies, spicy green chilies, because we are not going to add the red chili powder, and I will make the puree out of it. Our puree is ready. Now in a vessel I will heat some oil, and here I have taken few cubes of paneer, that is a cottage cheese, and I will saute this. I will add a pinch of haldi into it and salt to taste. We will not cook this paneer for a longer time, just 2 minutes, otherwise they may turn out chewy and not remain soft. We will remove all these paneer cubes and set it aside. Now we will temper the vegetable. For that we will heat some oil, we'll add some jeera powder to it, some bay leaf and dried red chili and crushed ginger and garlic, and I will saute this. And here I have taken 2 medium sized onions which I have chopped, and I will add it into the garlic and ginger paste. Add some salt to it and cook the onions till golden. Then I will add a pinch of haldi to it to enhance the color of the sabji. Here I have taken 2 medium sized tomatoes and pureed it, and I have added it to the onion mixture. We will saute this a while till some oil is released. You can see that this has been sauteed and the oil has released. Now we will add the palak puree into this. Add some salt to taste and give this a good mix and cook it for about 2 minutes. You can also add the garam masala at this point. Here I have not added the garam masala. And our palak sabji is ready. We will add the cubes of paneer into it and cook it for 2 minutes. Our sabji is all ready. Now we will remove it into the serving bowl. We will temper this again with some oil. Here I have taken 1 spoon of oil, heated it well and added a spoon of garlic which I finely chopped and cooked it till it is brown. Then I will add half a spoon of red chili powder, and this tempering we will pour over the sabji in this way. Our Lasuni Palak Paneer is ready to be served. It looks delicious, isn't it? And now we will make the kulchas. These yummy looking kulchas are super soft and super delicious. Served with the sabji, any sabji you can serve these kulchas with. And for that, here I have taken 3 cups of wheat flour and added salt to it according to taste, and about 2 spoons of oil and 1/4 spoon of baking soda. I will knead the flour with some curd and water. First I will mix the oil and salt all together, then I will add the curd and water and I will knead the flour. Our flour is all kneaded into the dough, and now I will add a spoon of oil to it and knead it for again about 5 minutes, and then I will cover and keep this for about an hour. After an hour you can see that the dough has become nice and soft. I will knead it again for about 2 minutes, and now we will make our kulchas. We'll take a portion of the dough and roll it into a chapati. In the center and all over we will add 1 spoon of ghee into it or butter and sprinkle some flour in it. And in this manner we will seal the chapati. And now we will roll it again. Here I have got some coriander leaves. I will just press it in this manner over the rolled chapati or the kulcha. Now I have sprinkled some water, and the water side I will place it over the hot tawa. Once done on one side, we will flip the tawa in this manner and cook the kulcha directly on the flames and move our tawa in this manner. You can see so nicely the kulcha has puffed up. Our kulcha is ready. You can see how lovely it has turned out. We will serve it with some butter. This kulchas turn out very soft. I've served this kulchas with the Lasuni Palak Paneer Sabji. Do let me know how you like the recipe and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.